Hello and welcome back to Slimerancher. We're gonna get rad slimes. Mostly because I said so. This is the best answer in the book. Not really, but still. So just like the others, I do want to get about 10 rad slimes. We'll see how well that actually works out for me, but we do also need those guys to actually eat. So, quickly empty all this junk out. Get ourselves some moolah. So we need 4 pink, 2 boom, and then 10 rad slimes. I think we can do this. Come on, one more. Perfect. Let's go. Give... Fuck. I want, damn it. Oh! Oh, I didn't start with my proper thingy-mabobbers. Ignore all this. We unlocked a bunch of stuff last time. And I was too distracted. So, we unlocked the rad slime. Its radiance is so lovely, it makes you sick. It just looks like he has headphones. I don't know why. Its diet is veggies. Its favorite is the oka oka. It's unknown if rad slimes, sometimes called raddies, came to be from external radiation sources or from something naturally occurring within the far, far range. Regardless, rad slimes emit a potent aura of radiation. They glow in the dark. I was saying that very, very slowly because I was cleaning my glasses as I read that. I'm a professional. A rad slime's radioactive aura can include rad poisoning. In a rancher, if they remain within it for too long, ranchers are advised to monitor their rad exposure levels when handling these green gobs of gamma goo, as extended exposure can cause serious bodily harm or worse. Flortomatics. Given that raddies are basically mobile batteries, it's no surprise that corporations value rad plorts for their incredible energy-producing capabilities. Most rad plorts get turned into plutonium. And everything from the latest holophone to Radwave microcook systems run on the stuff. We then have boom slimes. Careful, these slimes have been known to explode. Diet is meat. Their favorite is a briar hen, which we have not discovered yet. Slimeology. Boom slimes are often heard before they are seen. The slime cells of a boom slime are constantly vibrating, causing their slime to increasingly crackle with energy before ultimately exploding. However, the boom slime always comes out unscathed, though always a little dazed. Rancherists' boom slimes are constantly building towards an inevitable explosion, making them quite hazardous to ranchers. In addition to those explosions causing bodily harm, they also have the capacity to send all nearby slimes flying into the air, making them a hard slime to corral. Highly volatile booms plorts have all sorts of applications, including powering rocket thrusters, demolitions. Military organizations value their highly destructive capabilities for medical technology and other research. Imagine that! I call bullshit. Keep one in your boot, and you'll always still stay cool. But it's weird. I would agree. I would not want something in my boot that's just wiggling around. That just sounds wrong. Its diet is water. It has no favorites. Sorry. It's currently 4 a.m. when I'm recording this because I'm a dumbass. Anyway, puddle slimes are a rare species of slime that lives in freshwater pools. Found on the range, these slimes don't eat fruits, vegetables, or meat like most slimes, but instead puddle slimes absorb water into their bodies. While they sit on the surface of a pool, puddle slimes need fresh water to survive and will quickly evaporate if left on any other surface for too long. I kind of I like their current design, but I do kind of miss their original design where they literally were just blue pink slimes. And it makes sense why they changed it, why it's like this, because they're now on the surface of the water, but I kind of just like the blue slimes. I don't know. Maybe I'm a weirdo. Anyway, Rancher risks. Puddle slimes aren't risky to manage. They just require a fair bit of maintenance. A rancher needs a pool of fresh water like a pond available for a puddle slime, and its plorts to sit in as they will evaporate away if away from water. Finally, puddle slimes are extremely shy and will not produce plorts if they are in close proximity to more than 3 other slimes. Overall, a puddle slime is a better fit for a more experienced rancher, not one who's still wet behind the ears. Puddle plorts are made almost entirely of an incredible hydro compound known to chemists across the galaxy as H2O. This compound is used to create an absurdly expensive brand of bottled drinking water that is sought after by the elite back on Earth. While some people argue that there's really little difference in taste between it and tap water, those people seriously are not getting it. Yeah, it's fancy. That's why. It's as clear as shiny, transparent rocks that these slimes are dangerous. Diet veggies, its favorite is the odd onion. Slimeology, believed to be the cousin of the rock slime, the crystal slime is covered in a crown of shimmering crystal-like spikes. These spikes seem to form the crystal slime seem to form from the crystal slime generating a tremendous amount of eternal heat and warping the minerals around them. Truly alien behavior. The sharp crystal adorns the crystal slime's crown will cause a great deal of harm if touched. Worse still, the crystal slime routinely creates large patches of hazardous crystals in the environment around them, thought to be a means of expelling internal heat. These crystal patches are ultra hot and can be shattered if splashed with water. Just pulled my hair like a dumbass. Though the crystals produced by the crystal slimes are highly unstable, a crystal plort, like all plorts, is far more pure and can be used by slime scientists to engineer a variety of metals that are completely transparent. This innovation has led to metropolitan areas on Earth completely transforming, visually allowing more light to reach the streets and the space as a whole, a chance to breathe. Architects often describe these transparent metals as so totally cooler than normal boring metals. I think that was the only slimes I got. Yes. Then we got the Oka Oka, a tubular mix of colorful spuds, type veggie favored by the rad slimes. A staple of cooking on the range, the hearty oka oka is a natural, salty, soft spud as the key ingredient to the always tasty rancher's hash browns. They have likely been the fuel for a great deal of slime wrangling since their discovery on the range. I've read this one. And I guess we'll read the Elder Rooster. Anyway, I wouldn't trust this onion, even less so than a normal onion. You trust an onion? It is a veggie, is favored by crystal slimes. Odd onions can only be foraged in the wilds of the indigo quarry. However, you'll never encounter an odd onion patch. Instead, odd onions can be found randomly in other veggie patches. As the saying goes, forage in the indigo quarry and you'll always find an odd onion in your haul. Elder Rooster shaking his tail feathers and no one cares. Favored by none, Elder Roosteros are the senior age Roosteros who have retired from their otherwise bustling life of their younger counterparts. Young roosters crow too much, they move too fast, and frankly have no respect for their elders. An elder roostero might say of youths, as they make a gross smacking sound with their lips, though of course this is impossible as roosteros do not have lips. We didn't unlock anything new here, but we did unlock the Indigo Quarry! Indigo Quarry, all that remains of a mining project that quickly went bust. The Indigo Quarry is a winding network of caves and cliffs serrated with deep purple hues from the rare minerals found within. It was once the site of a mining project, but went bust after the discovery that the rare ores it produces quickly break down in atmospheres other than that on the far range. It was later discovered that the means to harness these metals was via rock slime ports. Somehow, rock slime ports preserve the minerals within to process that eludes even the most prestigious slime scientists. The Indigo Quarry is a natural home to rock slimes and the more elusive rad slimes, and its naturally mineral-rich soil makes it a great place to harvest most wild veggies. Alrighty, now we can get going. I threw him, never mind. We're gonna just casually, preemptively throw that. Because we only need 2. Hi, Pinky. Oh, yes. Where'd the boomy plurt go? Ow. Eat it. Give me. Thank you. Come on. Okay, fine, I'm running. Just need one more. Come on. Any more boxes? No. Ooh, there's a chicken. Ow. Yes. Have a special delivery. Yay! Box. No. Okay. I don't need any more of them. The rooster is still here. Just casually swimming around. The water made that look weird. Or maybe I'm just a dingus. Either way. Ow. Ow. Okay. So we have 3. Now we just need 7. Ow. Really? No red slimes at all. I think they're more likely in nighttime. Ah! I need 3 more. That's boomy rad. That's not what I'm wanting. I could also be making that up. I know that hunter slimes are more common in the nighttime. Actually, I think they only come out at night, but I could also be wrong about that. We haven't unlocked hunter slimes though, so no. Come on. Just 3 more? Is that challenging? I have a stupid idea. Let's see how well this stupid idea works out for me. I didn't start my timer. I'm a professional. Professional. Oh, thank you. We're just gonna suck up all of these guys so they're not gonna kill me. Oh. I am probably going to completely forget that this guy is here. I'm not gonna lie. I have a stupid idea. Okay, come here. I will notice it much easier if it is over here, if it is in my way. And these are mine now, and let's go home. Perfect. Now the question is, will Mochi Miles still be offering their trade? And I frankly don't know, actually. Hopefully. I think we should still have a few minutes on that. Maybe. Let's go! Mochi! I have gifts! I was hoping to walk to unlock Oren's place first. But it's fine. We'll read that in a minute. We already purchased this. And you know what? Screw it, might as well. Anyway, come here. I have stuff to do real quick. I don't know how it turned out like that, but it did. Which is awesome. Perfect. We do have another slime key, but we will do that later. Oren, please. Yes. Pogo fruits. Oh. Carrots. Okay. I can do that easily. We do have Mochi's area unlocked now, though, but I will not go there until later. Just because I have other stuff to do. But we will go there eventually, don't worry. I will also explain what I'm talking about if it doesn't make sense. Hopefully. Alrighty. So, Star Mail! Mochi Miles! The other ranchers won't shut up about you. It's starting to get annoying, so let's see what all the fuss is about. I'd like to talk business with you. So I went ahead and activated a spare teleporter in that horrible cave you call a ranch expansion. The teleporter will take you to my estate. I have others too, where we can work out the details. Don't keep me waiting. See you there, Square. Mochi Miles, top rancher. Alrighty. We'll sleep till morning. Why not? So, we have the next expansion. Yay, happiness. I will buy this as well. And this. And, this. Perfect. We can now hold 50 units of stuff, though, which is awesome. Alrighty, let's do our basic chores, and then we will go to Mochi's. I'll at least make an attempt. I can't promise I'll be good at it, since it's been a while since I've done it. But Mochi's area is fun. I like it. I enjoy it. So, my little teleporter is now activated. Happy Fosters. Perfect. Oh, wait. Orin needs carrots, doesn't he? Oh, if we can unlock both of their areas in this episode. And then I just need 4 pogo fruits. I'll give you the odd onions, too. Yeah. My nose is so not happy. Need just one more pogo fruit, so we're gonna go quickly run down here and get it. Bye. Goodbye. Oh, shit. Just gotta... Ow, 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 ow. I did stupid stuff, don't question. The red slimes are a little stupid. I'm not gonna lie. All of the slimes that have their moments where their brains just... They prove that their brains are made of the slime that they are. Just saying. They're adorable, though. That's all that matters. Okay, that should be fine for a few days. I'm gonna start needing to gather more chickens. Do not get on my phone. I need this. Okay. Please. Damn it. I don't need the rooster. Alrighty, let's go visit Mochi. Here's Mochi's little area. We can't get over here yet, obviously, but it's so pretty. So, you finally decided to show up. Since we're already running short on time, I'll get right to it. You're standing in one of my many estates at the edge of the Nimble Valley, which is the only known home to the very rare Quicksilver Slimes. And everything you see here is my property, which means that I alone profit from all the Quicksilver plorts that the Nimble Valley produces. Brilliant, I know. Harvesting quicksilver plorts is very difficult, and only highly skilled pro ranchers like myself can manage it. But I'm extremely busy, since I got a ranch to manage and a ton of Miles Tech businesses back on Earth to run. So I need you to get in there and do it for me. Naturally, you'll be compensated. We want you to be happy, little worker bee, after all. Now pay attention, because I don't like to repeat myself. First, you'll notice that I've augmented the junker of a backpack you have with some cutting-edge Miles tech. This never leaves the valley, so don't get excited. This augment will activate using patented Miles tech anytime you try to enter the Nimble Valley. It'll swap out your vac tanks too, so don't worry, you won't lose the junk you had in there. Next, take the teleporter to the Nimble Valley and get to work, collecting Quicksilver plorts. I'll explain things once you get there, but let me give you a quick rundown. Quicksilver slimes in the Nimble Valley lie dormant until you activate the generator to send out a pulse to get them moving. But this generator only works for so long and then needs to recharge. Quicksilver slimes eat electricity, and since they're super fast, the only way to get them is to blast them with a tasty spark shot from your backpack. But don't worry about actually collecting the plorts. I've got the valley rigged with Miles Tech that'll collect them for you. After the generator shuts down, head back and deposit the Quicksilver plorts here, and I'll be sure you get paid. Money talks. So for every 10 Quicksilver plorts you deposit, I'll give you a cut of the profits. Collect enough of them for me, and I'll give you an even bigger reward. We'll start with what I call Mochi's Extra Mile, which means sometimes giving you the inside scoop on more lucrative plort prices. Just don't count on it all the time. We're not friends. Now, get out there and collect some Quicksilver plorts for me. And if you're feeling like you really know how to shake it, try the other teleporter to an even trickier part of the valley. Or don't, because, it'd be hopeless. Later, Tater. There we go. So if we get 150 of the plorts, we get Mochi's Extra Mile. And for every 10, we get 200. Let's give it a shot. I'll try out both of them. It has been a while, so expect me to fail. Or maybe not. Damn it. There we go. We got at least one. There we go. Yeah, come on, hit it. There we go. Whoop. I'm doing okay. Maybe. Honestly, for my first try doing that in a while, I think I did pretty damn good. Okay. $70 plorts on my first try. Hell yeah. So that's gonna take a while to recharge. Let's try the second one. I think I was actually better at this. Yeah. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm better at this one. I don't know how to get that up there. Ow. Boom. Okay. I don't think I used that as good as I could have, but honestly, I'm not disappointed. Dive bomb. Damn it. Okay, I'm definitely not doing as well as I did the first time, but I'm not doing horrible. Could be worse. I don't think I'm gonna have the time for it. I'm gonna call it good. 60. Really? Really? I was one lower than my previous one. Okay. Ouch, but okay. Almost 140 on my first attempt. Hell yeah. And we needed 150, so I almost got that in my first go. Fuck yeah. And then it returns to normal. And we run away. To screw around elsewhere. Oren? Damn it. Mochi. I could do it. I don't really want to, but I can. I'm gonna be stupid though. And we are going to sleep for like 2 days. Nice. There we go. I will also high walls, music box. We don't need the solar shield yet. Auto. Nice. Okay, I didn't actually pick up the pink plorts like the dingus that I am. Next episode, I'm probably going to open a shortcut. And then, yeah, next episode I'm probably going to open a shortcut. And then we can worry about everything else later. You can have the odd onion. For the rest of this episode, I'm just gonna do basic chores and just clean up everything, I guess. Mainly getting chickens. Because we really do not have enough chickens for even 5 tabbies. So. We have enough for like maybe a day or two. I think there's at least 10 in there. Yeah. But I want it to the point where I cannot see the bottom of that. Might not be the best way to go about it, but it's what I'm doing anyway. And Mochi needed rock and rad, right? Oh, no. Never mind. I think I either did it or I slept through it. I don't care. You want carrots and odd onions? You should have told me before. I could get that, though. Pretty sure there will be at least 2 odd onions in that corral still. There better be. Any other chickies? No? Okay. Perfect. You're gonna give me a lot of chickens. Let's go slurp up all the carrots out here. None of them are grown. Damn it. Might as well. I only put 3 and I needed 13, so I need 6 more. Well, that's just there forever, apparently. You know what? I'll open the shortcut now. Here's the timer. And we'll pick up all these chickens. We're gonna need them anyway. For right now, just use this. I could hear you. Where are you? Ah, there you are. I'm gonna go over this way. My chickens, you can't have any. I'll fist fight you for them. I need to check something real quick. I don't think we have. No, we didn't. We haven't popped this one. We'll pop it soon. There was also a baby Stony that I kind of walked over. Ah, there you are. Come here. They're the babies. That's a concerning sentence, but I'm not gonna dwell on it. Let's go. There we go. And now all of the carrots are grown. But we're gonna quickly do all of this. Go feed all of these to the tabbies. And then I'm gonna call it there. Hey tabbies, I have gifts. I do also need to get 5 more tabbies, but that can wait. It'll happen eventually. We then need to take care of the foster slimes real quick, and then we'll end it. Because if I don't do it now, I'm definitely going to forget. Bob. Kind of an okay trade, but no thank you. Okay. I'm also gonna plant the last few gardens I need. I'm not gonna need them for a while, but just having them there will give me a better idea of what I can and can't do. And essentially how stupid I can be. Delightful. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do the basic chores of just like cleaning everything out. I will be back with the next episode. Thank you for joining me. Hope you have a lovely day, and farewell.